Hello guys, so have you ever wondered how that delicious sweet corn on your plates get theirs? It it's a journey that starts with a tiny seeds and with a tasty threads. And it all comes down to the IPO model. The IPO model for sweet corn production refers to the input process and output involved in growing and harvesting sweet corn. It encompasses the resources used, that step taken, and the final production obtained. The IPO model for sweet corn production input: land sustainable land with well-drained soil and adequate sunlight exposure is crucial for sweet corn. Growth: sweet corn needs a place to grow and land provides that foundation. It's where the plant roots will unsure absorb nutrients and access water, and the type of soil is critical. Sweet corn thrives in well-drained soil that allows for good aeration and water penetration, and last sweet corn needs ample sunlight to photosynthesis and produce energy for growth. Seeds: high quality sweet corn seeds chosen for the desired traits like maturity, sweetness, and disease resistance, because choosing the right sweet corn variety ensure desired traits and like sweetness, maturity, and disease resistance, and have a high quality seeds and higher chance to germinate, germinating, and producing healthy seedlings, and also seeds from high yielding varieties and can contribute to a more abundant harvest. Water Water adequate irrigation is essential for optimal growth, especially during dry periods. Nutrients absorption: water helps absorb nutrients for the soil, and water maintains the in, structure and turgor firmness of plant cells. In dry climates and during periods of drought, irrigation is essential to provide the necessary water for sweet corn to grow. Fertilizer: nutrients and nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the vital for healthy plant growth and yield. Nitrogen promotes healthy leaf and stem growth. Phosphorus supports roots development and nutrients uptakes. Potassium is essential for fruit development and overall plant health. Pesticide is insecticide and fungicide may be used to control pests and diseases affecting to sweet corn crop. Pesticide are used to protect sweet corn from pests, insect, rodents, and diseases. Fungi: bacteria that can damage the crop and reduce yield. Labor: human is required for the various tasks like planting, weeding, harvesting, and processing. Experience are the farm workers bring valuable knowledge and skills to the process, ensuring efficient and effective production. Equipment: farm equipment like a tractor, tillers, planters, harvesters, and sprayers significantly enhance efficiency and the productivity in sweet corn produce. Equipment allows to faster and more efficiency planting, weeding, harvesting, and other tasks, reduce reliance on manual labor. Capital: financial resources are the needed for the purchasing inputs, equipments, and covering operational costs, because effective financial management is crucial for the ensuring the profitability of sweet corn production. Process: lands preparation, tilling, leveling, and incorporating fertilizer prepares to soil for optimal roots development, nutrients and absorption, and weeds control. This is set stage for the healthy plant growth. Number 2, planting seeds at the correct depth and spacing ensure proper germination and growth. This step determines the initial density and distribution of the corn plants. Irrigation. Regular irrigation maintains soil moisture, which is crucial for the photosynthesis, nutrient absorption, and overall plant health. This is especially important during dry periods. Fertilizer provides nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for healthy plant growth and yield. These nutrients often depleted in the soil, so fertilization helps ensure optimal development. Pests and diseases management. Pests and diseases can significantly impact yield and quality. Insecticides and fungicides are the used to control these threats, ensuring a healthy and productive crop. Weeding. Weeds compete with the sweet corn for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Weeding ensures that the corn plant have access the resources they need for optimal growth. Harvesting. Sweet corn or ears are harvested at the peak of maturity, typically when the kernels are plump and milky. Harvest occurs the peak of the maturity, typically when the kernels are plump and milky. This timing ensured the best flavor and quality. Post-harvest handling. After harvesting, the ear are sorted, graded, and packaged for the transportation and sale. This process ensures that the corn reaches consumer in good condition and maintains in quality. Output. Sweet corn's ear are the edible parts of the plant, and they are the main product that generates revenue for farmers. Byproducts. Corn stalk and husk are the leftover after harvesting. This can be used as animal feeds, compost, or mulch, adding value to the production process. Economic value. The sweet corn ears are sold, generating income for the farmers. The byproduct can also be sold or used to reduce costs, like using husk for the mold. Additionally, the production process contribute to the overall agricultural economy and food security. To make it even better, you can use technology like smart machine, help you can plant, water, and fertilizer more efficiency, and vertical farms grow corn indoors, saving space and water. Special seeds makes the corn grow faster and stronger. So this is the input, process, and output models of sweet corn production. How companies facilitating sweet corn business. Companies involved in the sweet corn industry play various roles in facilitating business. Seeds companies provide high-quality sweet corn seeds to farmers, often with specialized varieties for the specific growing condition. Agricultural input suppliers offer fertilizer, pesticide, and other agricultural inputs to farmers, ensuring optimal crop yields. Processor process harvested corn into various forms: kind, frozen, etc., extended its shelf life and expanding market reach. Packaging companies supply packaging material for processed corn, ensuring safe and appealing presentation for consumers. Distribution companies transport and distribute processed corn to retailer and consumer, ensuring efficient supply chain management. Retailer sells sweet corn to consumer, offering a wide variety of options and providing convenient access. Technologically integrated sweet corn production model to enhance efficiency and sustainable, we propose a technologically integrated model. Inputs: precision agricultural utilize sensor, drones, and data analytics to optimize fertilizer and pesticides application, minimizing environmental impact and maximizing yields. Smart irrigation implement automated irrigation system based on soil moisture sensor, reducing water waste and ensuring optimal water usage. Vertical farmers explore vertical farming techniques to maximizing land use and maximize environmental footprint. Process: blockchain technology track the entire supply chains from farm to consumer, ensuring transparency, traceability, and food safety. Internet of Things of IoT monitor crop health, environmental condition, and equipment performance in real time, enabling proactive management and optimization. Artificial intelligence AI analyze data to predict crop yields, identify disease outbreaks, and optimize production processes. Outputs: sustainable and traceable sweet corn offers consumer traceable and sustainable sweet corn, appealing to conscious environmental consumers. Value added product: develop innovative value added products from the sweet corn, such as a corn-based snack, beverage, or bio-based materials. Data-driven insights generates valuable data insight for the improving production practice, developing new varieties, and optimizing the supply chains. Thank you.